Using a CIBC debit card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. For making purchases, present your CIBC debit card at the checkout counter. Then, if prompted, enter your PIN. Next, choose whether to pay with your debit balance or credit balance if applicable. After that, complete the transaction. For withdrawing cash from ATMs, firstly, insert your CIBC debit card into an ATM. Then, select your language. Next, you need to enter your PIN. Choose Withdraw and select the desired amount. Next, collect your cash and receipt. Then, for checking your balance, sign in to CIBC Online Banking or the CIBC Mobile Banking application. Here, navigate to Accounts and select Debit Cards. Your current balance will be displayed. Sign up for CIBC alerts to receive notifications about your debit card activity. Keep your debit card safe and secure. Report any lost or stolen cards immediately to CIBC.